what I was saying was this vacuum is nothing else to do. I'm going to go ahead and do a demo, do a test run. So yeah. Yeah, the vacuum is not. See, the motor is not even as loud on this model, like some other ones are. As you remember, I'll be running the vacuums in different videos. But anyway, yeah. So the vacuum update, I just wanted to let you know I'm getting another Hoover over the weekend. It's located up in Houston. It's off of Facebook Market. Facebook Market is only $20. Picking up another self-propelled WindTunnel Ultra. The model is a U6432. But like anyway, other than that, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up. Comment below. Also, before I end the video, got some other machines that's parted out. U6425 920, and then this is U6434 900. Brand new thermal protector, got replaced. So anyway, yeah, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Let's go. I'm out.